In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Stockx. If you shop or track market prices on this platform, switching to your local currency makes comparisons easier and helps you understand fees and totals at a glance. I'll walk you through the process from opening your browser to updating the currency setting so prices display the way you want. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Stockx and press Enter. You can also type the address directly if you prefer. From the results page, choose the official site. Look for the domain that clearly matches the marketplace you know, and avoid sponsored results that don't point to the authentic address. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the familiar green branding and categories for sneakers, apparel, and more. Next, either sign up or log in. You'll find these options in the upper right corner of the site. Logging in isn't strictly required to view prices, but it's the best way to make sure your currency preference sticks across sessions and devices. If you already have an account, sign in as you normally do. If you're new, create an account in a moment and then proceed. Now, let's change the currency. From the Stockx homepage, scroll all the way down to the footer, or check the top right corner of the page. You should see a small currency or region indicator, something like USD with a dollar sign. Click that indicator to open the currency and region settings. A menu or pop-up will appear with a list of available currencies. Select the one you want to use. Depending on the interface version you see, the site might update instantly when you choose a new currency, or you may need to confirm your selection with an Apply or Save button. Either way, once it's set, the page will refresh and prices, bids, and asks will display in your chosen currency. You'll know it worked when the symbol and currency code next to prices change to match your selection. Keep in mind that shipping costs and taxes are still based on your delivery location, and exchange rates are determined by the platform, so they might not mirror your bank's exact rate. If you don't see the currency toggle right away, make sure you're on the home page, try scrolling a bit further, or expand your window so the full header or footer is visible. That's all there is to it. Open your browser, choose the official site, sign up or log in, then use the currency or region selector to switch to the currency you prefer. Happy browsing, and good luck finding the best deals in the currency that makes the most sense for you.